Okay, Chris, this is the next part of the video here. Just wanted to show you around the windows. Looks like that could be a new window. I'm guessing it probably is. You probably know better than I do. But above the window, they usually will put a piece of flashing up there. It's a piece of metal flashing, and it protects the wood and water getting behind the wood. These windows, the trim around the windows, is starting to get soft in a couple areas. It's probably not too bad, but the windows definitely need to be caulked and painted. I'll show you some more when we get back over here on the windows. But this is what I was talking about on the garage door. Let's see if I can zoom in here. I don't know if watch. I could push in. You can see my thumbprint once I let it off. I mean, let's do it again. And you can see my thumbprint. I'll pick another place here. I'll push it up, and you can see thumbprint. Go over a little bit. Same thing. It's just falling apart because between this and this, there's supposed to be a flashing that sits underneath, comes up around the lip, and then over the top. And that way, water can never get back here. And it just was never done to my expectations, at least. So that whole top piece would need to be replaced. Here's some more of the peeling paint up there. And this is the window, the kitchen window, that is leaking. You can see someone's tried to just put caulking on there, and if you don't maintain, I guess, you know, it's a solution, but if you don't maintain it, then water's going to get back behind there. So the permanent fix would be to put the piece of flashing behind here, wrap the top, and come around, which we're going to do on this window. And then you can see the top of the windows got cracks in them. It's just something that has to be maintained. Tops of the door, same thing. Anytime you have a lip or trim, it's got to be wrapped with metal, and that's what flashing is. And come to the back. I don't know if you can catch that fascia board. It needs to be painted because it's peeling. Actually, here's a window that is flashed. That's done properly. There we go. Right there. Flashing right there. It wraps around. You have no issues. I can't tell if that one's flashed or not over there. It looks like it is flashed. Looks like the original windows were flashed properly. But for some reason, a couple of these that have trim around it were never flashed. Can't say why that is. But you can see there the cracks between the windows. That will let water on the inside of the house. So Chris, that's it, my friend. Oh, here's another thing right here. This downspout right here needs an extension, and I think we figured this in on our paint bid. I'm pretty sure. I'm putting a couple of tip outs so the water drains away from the house and not at the foundation. So that's what we have for now. Please feel free to give us a call or an email if you have any questions whatsoever. We'll help any way we can. Thanks, Chris. Take care.